A 1942 Buick Century. This is Sinan from GetInspected. We've done a pre-purchase inspection on it, and it is on a private video. But this video we decided to share publicly. This is just a walk around. We've also done a video of the test drive that is shared publicly. This is an all original, authentic. This is the original user manual.
Give it a bit of a slam.
There you go.
See where we're at.
Doors all open up and close smoothly. The interior and the roof, the liner. So this is a straight 8-cylinder manual transmission, 3 gears, 320 cubic inch. So I was told it was called the doctor's hot rod because of the power to weight ratio. A lot of power for the weight from the straight 8-cylinder. Thank you for watching.